Hello viewers, welcome to my channel ANUJA'S Maths class. Here I am again with another video of square root. But before that, I want to remind those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you are updated with my latest videos always. So before starting how to find square root of numbers, first let me explain what actually square root is for those beginners. Same. We know 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and so on. Okay. Now for finding square root, okay, that means 4 to the power half. Okay, this in symbol I'll write it in this way: square root. Square root of 4 will be 2. That means what is that number when you multiply 2 times? It comes out to be 4. It is 2. That means if you multiply 2 times, it comes out to be 4. Similarly, square root of 9, that means what is that number if you multiply 2 times? It comes out to be 9. That is 3. Okay. Similarly, square root of 16, it is 4. And square root of 25, it is 5. So it's very easy. But it is not possible to find the square root of all numbers. Which numbers? Those numbers which are not perfect squares. But there are some methods by which we can make those numbers perfect square, and then we can find out square root. Okay, now here we'll already discuss about those numbers which are perfect square, and also we will discuss about the methods. How will you find the square root of some unknown numbers, some big numbers? Okay, so you see there are basically 3 methods. One is that division method, one is prime factorization method, and one is the subtraction method. So one by one we will be doing. So the first method, it will be by prime factorization method. So let's do with some problems. Find the square root. Find the square root of the numbers by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Okay. So first let me tell you, in prime factorization method, that means a particular number when you split into prime factors. Like suppose 6, if you split it, it comes out to be 2 into 3, where 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 9, 3 into 3, these are prime numbers. 49, 7 into 7. 36, it will be 3 into 4 into 3. Okay, and this one further we can split. So the actual prime numbers are 3 and 2. Okay, so these are called prime factorization. Now how with the help of prime factorization method you are going to solve, or you are going to find the square root of numbers. So let's take one number 400. Okay, so we will split this 400 into prime factors. For that we can apply this method. I hope many of you all know how to use this long division method. 200, then again 100, then 2 into 50 is 100, 2 into 25, 5 into 5. Got? Now that means 400, I can split it in this way, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here there are 4 2's, so I have written 4 2's, and 5 into 5. Got? Now square root of 400, square root of this prime factors. Now I have told you that by multiplying two numbers, if we get similar numbers, if we get a number, then the square root of that number will be this double multiplication of this number. So from here you see, from these two we will be taking 1 2, from this 2 we will be taking another 2, and this double 5 will be taking 1 5. So the answer is 20. The square root of 400 is 20. Okay. Now let's do another problem. It will be a practice for you. 7 to 9. 7 to 9. As it is 9, so we can start with 3. Let's see if it's not with 3. Since the last digit is 9, so we can even go with 7 also and 9 also. Let's see with 3. So it will be 3 2 just 6. It will be 3 4 just 12. 3 3 is a 9. And this will be 3 8 1. And this is 3 27. This is 3 9 3 3. Okay. So square root of 7 to 9. This number I am going to 7 to 9. I'll express it in fine factors. So how many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from each pairing I'll be taking 1. From this 3 1, from this 2 3 1, and from this 2 3 1. So the answer is 27. Okay. Now let's do it. Some practice, some more numbers let's us take. For those beginners, if you all have any doubts, you can share it in the comment section box also. 1764. Again 1764. Definitely I'll start with 2 since the last digit is an even number. 2 8 16, 2 8 16, 2 2, 4 4 1. Okay. Then let me start with 3 1. 14, it is 4 12, it is 21. That's 7 2 1. Okay. Then 7 into 3. So therefore square root of 1764, square root 2 into 2. Then there are 2 3's. Let me write it together. There are 2 7's. 7 into 7. Now from this 2 I'll take 1 2 out. From this 2 3 I'll take 1 3 out. From this 2 7 I'll take 1 7 out. So the answer is 42. Okay. Last one problem of prime factorization. 5 9 2 9. Okay. 5 9 2 9. So let me give it here 7. 7 is a 56. So it will be 32. So it will be 4 is a 28. 49 7. Again here it will be 7 12 1. 8 11 11 is 121. So therefore square root of 5929 is equals to 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So from this to 7 1, from this to 11 111 will come. So the answer is 77. Okay. Now the next method will be by division method. Okay. So by division method, this is not the normal division which we do. This is not the normal division which we do. It's a bit different division method for finding square root. So I'll explain the steps when I do the problem. So let us take a number. Suppose it is 2304. Okay. Now, how will you find the square root? With the help of division method. So as I told you, it's not the usual division which we generally do. So for this, what you have to do is that we start pairing from the back side or from the right hand side. Pairing means we take two numbers. Okay. Now here you see the first number is 23. So you have to observe which two numbers, when you multiply it 2 times, it is less than 23. So it is obvious, it is 4. 4 into 4, it is 16, and it is less than 23. So when you subtract it, it comes out to be 7. Okay. Here and again you see, when we have to bring a number here, you have to bring these two numbers together, not only 0. You have to bring these two numbers here down. 704. Okay. Now you see, what is the double of 4? It is 8. So here you give here 8. Now you have to give here a number, such a number, so that when you multiply it, so that when you give it here that same number, it is either equal to 704 or it is less than 704, but it shouldn't be greater than this number. So we say, if we give here 8, here also you have to give here 8. And now you see, observe it, 8 into 8, it is 64, 6, 8 into 8 is 64, plus 6, it is 70. Yes? 0, the remainder is, so the square root, it will be 48. So therefore, square root of 2304 is equals to 48. Okay. Let's do it. Another problem. 3, 4, 8, 1. 3, 4, 8, 1. As I told you, we have to start pairing from the right hand side like this. Got? Now 34, let's such a number, when you multiply 2 times, it is less than 34. It's obviously 5 into 5. 5 into 5, it is 25. Got? And it is 9. And when I bring number, I'll have to bring 81 together. 8, 1. Now double of 5 is 10. Okay. Now I have to give such a number. That number I have to give it here, so that when I multiply it, it should be either less than or equal to 981. So let me give that number as 9. Here also I have to give it 9. 109 into 9, it is 981. So it is, the square root of 3481 is 51. Therefore the square root of 3481 is 59. Sorry, it is 59. Let's do another problem. It will be a practice for you all, for those beginners. Let's say a very simple problem, that is, it's a 3-digit number, 576. No matter if it's a 3-digit or 5-digit or whatever digit it is, the pairing should start from the back side. So when we are pairing it from the back side, here you see, it is left with only a single digit. No problem. So if it's a single digit, let's see which number it is when you multiply it 2 times, it is less than 5. Obviously it is 2. 2 into 2, it is 4. So again, this 76 will come together. Double of 2 is 4. And this number, let me give it as 4 and 4 here. So 4 into 4, 16. And this is 176. Therefore, square root of 576 is 25. 4. Got? So these are a bit simple numbers with 3 digit and 4 digit. Let's do with more than 2 and 3 digit numbers. Sorry, more than 3 and 4 digit numbers. 2, 7, 2, 2, 5. So it's a 5 digit number. You see, 2, 7, 2, 2, 5. That's pairing. Okay, so let me give it here 1, 1, 1. So this 72 will come together. Okay, now double of 1 is, it will be 2. So what number can I give it here? I can give here most, what number? Yes, let me give it here 6. 6, 6, 36, 3, 2, 6, 12 and 3 is 15. Okay, then you see 12, it will be 6, it will be 1, and here again this 2, 5, I will bring it together. Now the twist comes here. Now you see in this step up to here, okay, now one more step it is increased. So here what we have to do is that double of 6, it is 12. 1, that 1 we have to add it with 2. 2 plus 1 it is 3. Okay, again I am saying double of 6, not the double of 26, it's the double of 6, it is 12. 12, that 1 is there, 2 plus 1 it is 3. Now again give here a number which if you multiply it should be either less or equals to 1625. So obviously I think it should be 5 out here. 5, 2 and 6. So therefore the square root of 2, 7, 2, 2, 5, it is 165. Got? Let's do another problem. Let's do another problem. 390625. 390625. So here also we'll do the pairing from the back side. Got 39. So almost we have done some problems. So we'll do it a bit fast. So 6, 6, 36. This will be 3 and this will be 306. Double of 6 is 12. So what number can I give it here? Let me give it here 2, 2. So it will be 4, 4 and 2. So 2, 6 and again 2, 5. Now you see double of 2 is 4. There is no addition, so it will be 2 and this 1. Again here I will give a number which if I multiply it with that number, it should be less than or equals to 65. So let me give it here 5. So 5, 5, 25. 4, 5, 20. It should be 2. Then 2, 5 are 10 and 12. And so it is 5, 1. It is 6. So therefore square root of 390625. It is 625. The last problem will be doing last problem of division method. I hope you all have understood. 6, 5, 7, 666, 0, 2, 5. 6, 5, 7, 666, 0, 2, 5. So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-digit number. No matter, we again start pairing from the back side and the 6 is left. So definitely I am going to give here 2, 4. So it is 2, 57. So double of 2 is 4, and here I am going to give it here 5, 5, 25, and here it is 22. Okay, then it will be 2, it is 3, and again 66. Double of 5 is 10, 1, 4 plus 1, it is 5. So what number I will be giving it here? Yes, let me say 6. 6, 6, 36. 3, 5, 6, it is 30. Okay, 0, and this is 3, this is 2. Now here 60 will come down. 60 will come down. Now double of 6 is 12. 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. This is 5. So 5, 1, 2. Again, I'll give here number which will be obviously less than this. So let me give it as 4. 4, 4, 4, 16. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 4. Then 5, 4, 8 is 20. 4. Then it is here 6. Then it is here 5 and 2. Now bring me here 25. Again, double of 4 is 8. No addition. So 2, 1 and 5. So let me give it here 5 and 5. 5, 5, 25. 2. Then 4. Then it will be 6 and 25. If you multiply 5, 1, 2, 8, 5 with 5, it is going to be 2, 5, 6, 4, 2, 5. So therefore, the square root of 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 0, 2, 5, it is 2, 5, 6, 4, 5. So therefore, square root of 6, 5, 7, 6, 6, 0, 2, 5, it is 2, 5, 6, 4, 5. Got? Hope you all have understood this video of square root. Now there is another method that I will be coming with my another video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, ANUJA'S Maths class, and also give the thumbs button, share with your friends, and any comments, any suggestions, any advice, any doubts, please give it in the comment section box.